This amazing lady removed all wrinkles with this powerful 4-ingredient cream in just 7 days. Sounds great, right? Well, yes it is. And, ladies, today is your lucky day, because in this video we're going to share this secret recipe with you. Well yes, and most of them spend a lot of money on expensive beauty treatments and cosmetic products, in order to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. But the real truth is that not all of these women can afford these expensive products and treatments. And these expensive over-the-counter products cost a lot of money, and they can't provide the desired effects. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So, you should definitely go for an all-natural alternative. Ladies, what if we tell you that you can get the same effects with this homemade cream? The same effects for less money and no side effects. Sounds great, right? This homemade anti-wrinkle cream will reduce the appearance of wrinkles, it will slow down the aging process, it will hydrate your skin. And the best part about this homemade anti-wrinkle cream is that it's completely safe and all-natural. As we mentioned before, you shouldn't be worried. Because there is an easy and all-natural way to get the same effect, without spending too much money on these treatments. And, one more thing, this homemade anti-wrinkle cream is made of natural ingredients, and it's completely safe for all skin types. You will notice the first results in just 1 week. You will love this homemade cream. This homemade anti-wrinkle cream is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 2 teaspoons of petroleum jelly, Vaseline, 1 tablespoon of almond oil or olive oil, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of honey. Directions: here's what you need to do. First, you need to melt the Vaseline on heat. You will need just a few minutes. Then, you need to remove it from heat and add the other ingredients, the egg yolk, honey, and oil. Make sure you mix them well until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. Stir for few minutes. When you are done mixing, leave it for 5 minutes. How to use it: make sure you wash your face first and dry it thoroughly. After that, you need to apply this mixture on your face and massage it gently, with circular movements. Leave it on for 30 minutes and after then, you need to remove this homemade anti-wrinkle cream. You can use a cotton ball, soaked in mineral water or a wet towel. You will be amazed by the results. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.